Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Shiba Army, what is going on? It just keeps on pumping. So I have to make this video today showing you guys how to safely store your Shiba tokens on your Trezor Hardware Wallet. Now there's two ways to do this. One is through the Ethereum network, as you guys can see here on my screen when you're withdrawing from an exchange, and the other way is to have it kept on the Binance Smart Chain linked to your Metamask and your Trezor account. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on Mandala exchange trying to withdraw some Shiba tokens, and I have two options here. One is the Ethereum network to withdraw to, and one is the Binance Smart Chain. Now, the Ethereum network always will have higher fees. As you guys can see, there's a major transaction fee while withdrawing to Ethereum. That is because of obviously network congestion. This is always dynamic, so sometimes it can be higher than other times, but just always be aware that when you're withdrawing tokens from the exchange, that using Ethereum right now is going to net you a higher cost. If I use the Binance Smart Chain, it'll be significantly lower. Now, there's two ways to store using each different chain, and I'm going to show you that right now. So to start off with, if you're using Ethereum, you can just use the Trezor Desktop Suite, which I have open here. As you guys can see, I've already added the SHIB token. Now, how will I do that? I can just minimize and go back to Etherscan and search for SHIBA INU. There's the contract right there. All I need to do now is copy the contract address, head on back over to my Trezor Desktop Suite, add a token, paste the address, and then hit add token. And then once you've hit that, it'll show up here just like mine does. So now once you have the token added, all you need to do is go to receive, hit show full address. Once your address is confirmed, copy the address like that, and then hit X, minimize your Trezor Desktop Suite, go back to the exchange, paste in your address, the amount you want to withdraw, and then submit for a verification. And now once you've put in your information, the withdrawal request will be submitted, and now you can just go back to our Trezor Desktop Suite and wait for our Shiba tokens to arrive. Alright guys, and as you can see, the SHIB has arrived in my Ethereum wallet, and now it can safely be stored offline. If I want to send the SHIB back to the exchange or to any other website, I can just hit send, switch from Ethereum to SHIB, put the amount that I want to put in to trade and the address that I want to send it to, and then just hit review and send. And it's that easy. Now, if we go back to the exchange, I wanted to show you guys the other way to transfer your SHIB to your hardware wallet using Metamask and the Binance Smart Chain, but unfortunately the withdrawals are temporarily suspended at the time of recording this video. I can walk you through it though, just by showing you guys. So if I go to Metamask up here, I've already linked my Trezor to my Metamask account, right? So this account is set up, it's a bridge. So basically any tokens I store on this account here will be stored on my device. So I'll need it to be plugged in whenever I need to do a transaction. Now I did a video earlier on to store the Binance token. So I'm gonna link that video down in the comment section below. That way you guys can easily find that, set it up, and then use it the same way I'm using it right now. So all I would need to do is copy this address here. And then when this is available, paste it in the address, the amount I wanna withdraw to my account, and then verify like I did the first transaction. The reason for going this route is you will not have to pay the exact same crazy fee as you would using the ERC20 Ethereum route. And that is it for the SHIB tutorial covering how to transfer your tokens from an exchange to either the Binance Smart Chain on Metamask or the Trezor Desktop Suite on the Ethereum network. If you're new to my channel, I cover a bunch of different cryptocurrencies and a bunch of different topics. If you guys post comments in the comment section down below of each video, I always get to them. So don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification when there's any new video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks and take care.